Hey, I don't want to put you on the spot, Milton. Not making fun of you in any way, shape, or form, but love that call sign, which prompted me to make a video. Vanity Callsigns. Milton said he's a big VW fan. I had a couple of VWs as we talked in our QSO. Most enjoyable QSO, Milton. You know, that's the part of the Vanity program. Yeah, it may cost you a little bit for every 10 years to get the call sign you want, because in the sequential sequencing, you just get the luck of the draw, the random call sign that comes out. Maybe you get N1ABC. That's fictitious, that's not going to happen, but you get the idea. XYZ. What's a hard one? Like VBW or something like that. Who knows? A tongue twister. Maybe some people like them, some people don't, and they want a vanity call sign. Well, like my call sign, AA1PR. I applied for that in '95. Actually, I contacted the league. I think it was before the Vanity program exists. I said to the lady, I got Kilo Delta 1 Victor Bravo now. How do I get AA1PR? She says, I'll mail you a Form 605. Put the call sign down you want on it. And when it comes time to issue that call sign, I'll slide your application in that spot. You get that call. And there was no fee, nothing. And I totally forgot about it. That was sometime in December. All of a sudden, March 19th, 96, checked the mail, and there was my new FCC license for AA1PR. So I've been AA1PR for the last 24, 26 years, whatever, heck, it's bad. But anyways, you don't like your call sign, you know, upgrade it, change it to a vanity call sign. If you're thinking about getting into the hobby and thinking, oh my God, I don't know what the call sign would be, there KC1s. Something up here in Vermont. I think the last one I heard was a Kilo Charlie 1 radio something. Just keep in mind, yeah, you may not like the call you want, but if you don't mind paying a fee for the license class that you are, a technician, you can get a 1x3. You know, change your vanity call sign. Maybe you're lucky your initials like N1SAL, Sally, and Ken, W1KMH. And all those guys over there in Pittsfield, old ham radio friends. They applied for call signs that were their initials. You can do the same thing. So don't think you're stuck with your call sign forever. Unless you like it and you want it. I contemplated keeping my N1PAJ forever, but unfortunately changed it to KD1VT in search of KD1VT, missed out. And anyways, it is what it is, like my club. Rolling Amateur Radio Experimenters. We had KB1BXH for a club call sign. That was good. Long-winded during contesting. 2013, we decided Whiskey 1 Victor Tango was available, WW1VT. So we applied for a vanity program call sign for the club. Club's got a vanity call. During the contest, whether it be VHF, HF. Oh my God, man. It's an attention getter. People know with a Victor Tango, you're in Vermont, and they want you. So there's some advantage. Anyways, don't be afraid. Join the hobby. Get in.